Hello guys, today I'm going to show you some easy and quick summer makeup ideas which is easy to carry for office and for your everyday lifestyle. Before starting the makeup, I use bed, bed towel from Guinea, which is an excellent product and it cleanses your face properly. It maintains a pH balance in your face. It has no added alcohol. As you can see, I have taken out this bed towel and I am removing the excess dirt from my face. It is an excellent product from Guinea because it maintains the pH level of your face. It nourishes your face and cleans down the excess dirt or the excess oil which the face is carrying. And while doing makeup, do remember you need to clean your neck first because neck is equally important for makeup. As you can see, I have taken out the excess dirt from my face. Now, after cleaning all the dirt, then I use the toner, which I feel the best toner. This is this one from Faces, Canada. As you can see, Faces from Canada. This is the best toner which I use for everyday life. It hydrates and suits your skin very properly. Here you just need to spray a little bit. Allow it to dry. Then tap a bit so that it gets inside your skin. As you can see, I applied the toner and I'm waiting for a few seconds for the toner to get into my skin. Then I use vitamin C from Clears. Vitamin C from Clears. Can you see? Vitamin C from Clears. This is one of the best vitamin C product which I used so far. And you just need few drops to hydrate your skin. You can get it in Nykaa or in Clear store. It costs around $14.99 or $14.59. I just forgot the price of this product. This is the product. You just need few drops of it on your face, like 5 or 6 drops on your face, and it's Vitamin C enhances your skin in such a way that it glows from inside. Now, after applying vitamin C, wait for 1 more minute to get dried up or to make the skin more hydrated. And why do we use vitamin C? Because it gives a very good and natural glow from inside, and it makes your skin very good because we apply makeup and other harmful products. So for that purpose, we need vitamin C. Like after applying vitamin C, do always use eye cream. I use this eye cream which is from Garden Essence, It cost around 399. There are two products of eye cream. One, this is a night eye cream. Another one is the day eye cream. Whenever I'm going out, I use the daytime. I use this product. It's a day cream, eye cream, and this one is the eye cream, eye night cream. Both I bought it from Garden Essence. You just need a little bit of it and you need to dab it on your eyes if you have dark circles. As you can see, I have dark circles, so apply this product regularly. This one is a night eye cream which I regularly use before applying makeup, before going out. Now I use this moisturizer. This is Tea Tree from Body Shop. It's one of the best moisturizers and it's very light. Whenever you are doing your makeup, your neck, your hands, this sides, it's very important. You need to moisturize them also. After this, you are done. But before going out, you always need to use BB cream. I use from Oriflame this one. BB cream, the one. This product is from Oriflame. You can get it from Oriflame. You can get it from, I think, from Nykaa or from any Oriflame agent. It cost around $6.99. This is one of the best BB cream I used so far, and I'm in love with this product. As you can see, how my face is glowing. Then I use, for my eyeshadow, I use this Maybelline, the blush nudes. I use the Maybelline blush nudes. I'm in absolute love with these colors because it has very bright nude colors. And this is the one I use regularly. It doesn't look too much in your skin. It's optional. If you want, if you can skip this eyeshadow portion, but I like to use it because it hides my dark circles. If you want, you can use the eyebrow pencil If you have light eyebrows, I use this one. This is a Lakme Absolute product. It's Lakme Absolute product. This one is a grey in color. Others you have like brown or black. As I have grey or slightest black in color eyebrows, so I use this color. It's completely optional. If you want to skip this stage, you can. Then I use Maybelline Colossal Kajal. I think most of us are familiar with this product. Maybelline Colossal Kajal. Just to make my eyes look more bright. Then I use this hyper glossy Maybelline eyeliner, which you can easily get in Nykaa. I use this Maybelline hyper glossy. You can see the product. As I am done, you can see my eyeliner portion is finished. Now, before applying lipstick, I use this Maybelline lip balm, which I love. This is a Maybelline lip balm. It is around 199 or 150 or something around like this. I'll use a cherry color. I use this Maybelline liquid lipstick color, Sensational Liquid Matte color, Maybelline from Maybelline. It's a Maybelline Liquid Sensation Matte lipstick. And here my makeup is complete and it's done. You can see. So guys, like my channel, subscribe my channel on my channel. Thank you.